I received this question the other day. How do you mentor junior project managers? Hello, my name is Doug Lawrence, and I'm the Director of Education and Outreach for the International Mentoring Community. And I'm also the President of Talent Seed People Services Incorporated. How do you mentor junior project managers? This was a question that was provided to me through the Cora website. And so let's take a look at what that actually, how I responded to that. And it's a question that I get asked a lot, and it focuses on the myth that you need to have experience in a particular field before you can actually mentor someone in that industry. And that's not anywhere close to the truth. When I take a look at stuff like that, I look at it from, is it a nice to have or a need to have? And typically mentoring a junior project manager, having experience in that particular field is a nice to have. It's not a need to have. So how do I go about doing mentoring when I'm working with junior project managers? Number one is I want to make sure that I'm able to build that trusted relationship. And it's really important to do so because mentoring is a two-way trusted relationship. And that's maybe what we can do right now is to set the stage is maybe take a look at the definition of mentoring very quickly. So mentoring is a two-way trusted relationship where both the mentor and the mentee are going to learn and grow on a personal and a professional basis. And so the mentoring of that junior project manager is going to, number one, focus on their personal growth first, and then number two, focus on the aspect of their professional, the career development piece, and be able to do that. And so typically what I like to do with junior project managers, as well as anyone else for that matter, is I like to ask a series of questions that will help me gain the knowledge in their particular job, in their particular industry, and in the role that they play in the organization as a whole. Because some interesting things come out of that conversation where I now start to get a deeper understanding of the organization that this junior project manager is working in. I get a better understanding of the culture of that organization. So I'm in a better place to be able to help serve that junior project manager as we move them forward with their career. And like I've mentioned before, is that it's really important that we focus on the personal growth of that junior project manager first. And there's some interesting things that have happened since this question was posed, and that is the aspect of we also need to be able to focus on the mental health of that junior project manager. So Cora sent this question over to me. How do you mentor junior project managers? And we've touched on a number of points that you can take a look at, and I encourage you to do so. And I hope that you'll join us next time when we have another question from the Cora site.